Good morning, good evening, good night, and welcome back to Iconoclastic. Today, I might be starting my car. I'm here with my 240Z, and the last video I put the new fuel pump in. If you haven't seen that yet, check it out because it's cool and I did stuff. Now I'm going to try to start it and hopefully have it run on its own tank. Very exciting. Without any further ado, let's get into it. All right, here we are. Moment of truth. Oh my God! Woo! So there you have it. It is running off its own tank. Oh my gosh. Next up, I have coolant lines to do. I have to figure out the ignition because right now it's hot wired. So when I turned off the key, it just kept running. I have to do some other stuff, floors, minor details like that, but it's running. It runs, and that's so awesome. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching and have a spectacular day.